determines if a cable is in good condition. If the only way to access the communication cable is on the HVAC system and the thermostat, and you want to check if one or more of the cables are damaged, using this method and the multimeter you can achieve it. Set your multimeter to continuity. Select a wire on the thermostat as a reference. In this case we will select red. In the system area you must do the following. Using a wire nut, join all the wires together. Place one lead of the multimeter on the reference wire, and with the other end start measuring cable by cable. If you get continuity in all of them, it means that all the cables are in good condition. If one of them does not give you continuity, it means that the cable is damaged, in this case, the white wire. If none of the cables give you continuity, this means that the reference cable is damaged. In this case, the red wire. You can also check for a short circuit between the wires. You must do this with all the cables separated. Measure them in the same way and, in this case, there should be no continuity between any of them. And if you get continuity in some, then those cables are short-circuited. And this is how you can diagnose a cable.